after Piggy Bank from a package box. Okay, look the materials. There's gray paper, a glitter, glue, origami paper, decoration like this. The decoration like silly things. This is like snow and flower. This is like the rainbow and wiggly eyes. Let's get started. First, we have to cover the box with origami paper. Okay. Let's start with the little one, guys. Friends, let's start with the little one. I think it's gonna be yellow. Okay, it's good. Let's decorate it with the eyes and with the decoration. Come on, let's paste the eyes. It is so cool when we put it. We are done with the face. Now we're gonna put the hair. Now we're gonna paste the hair. Let's do it. Scared. This is from my sister. I think just not done. Ada banyak rambutnya. Look, friends, look at the cheek. Is it cute? Is it cute? Look, it's done. It's here to put the money in it. Here is the. Let's put the money inside. This is a real money. It will fit. Wait a minute. Let's put the money inside. I don't want to get the box. Now I got the. Go inside. Now we put the coin. The coin fits perfectly. Let's make another one, friends. 3. Now we're gonna paste the teeth. Now we're gonna paste the hair. Okay. Is done. Now let's put our hair is done. Now we're gonna put the hole in here. We're gonna put the hole in here. 1, 2, 3. Can do a trick. Now we're gonna put the money inside. Go in it. It falls. Done. Look, I have 2 friends. Now you can make yours too at your home. Recycle the package box into something like me. Is it cute? One the hair is dark purple and mine is like a light pink. Is it cute? Bye friends.